Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Equipped to Learn with Ms. Jasmine. Today, we will be discussing equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions can be described as fractions that look different but have the same value, or they're equivalent or equal in size. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example. As you can see, 1/2 is equal to 2/4. 1/2 is a different fraction than 2/4, but they are equal in value or they are the same size. Now let's discuss how to actually find equivalent fractions. There are two ways that you can find equivalent fractions. So I'm going to show you those two ways. The first way that we can find equivalent fractions is by using multiplication. So let's go ahead and try it. Let's take the fraction 2/3. In order to be able to find an equivalent fraction to 2/3, we would multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So I'm going to use the number, let's say I'm going to multiply both of them by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then 3 times 2 is 6. Now we could simplify this further, but that's going to be for another lesson, okay? So what we're essentially saying is that 2/3 is equal to or equivalent to 4/6. Now let's look at a visual representation of this. As you can see, 2/3 is in fact equal to 4/6. Even though they are two different fractions, they look different, they have the same value or are equal in size. The second way in which we can find equivalent fractions is by using division. So let's take a look. So we have the fraction 4/10. So we would have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. And we can do that by finding a factor that they both have in common. So I have 4 and 10, and those are both even numbers. So I know that they can both be divided by the number 2. So I'm going to divide 4 by 2 and 10 by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 4/10 is equal to 2/5. Let's do one more example. All right, let's take 3/15 and find an equivalent fraction. So I know that 3 is a factor of 3, and 3 is also a factor of 15. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 3/15 is equal to 1/5. So if this video was helpful to you today, go ahead and hit subscribe to my YouTube channel to find out more tips